Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without payment method. So if you want to change your country or region and you do not want to add any payment method on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that? For this there are two methods to do that. So if you want to do that change country or region without payment method, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general. So in general you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply follow the main procedure. So first method is that you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and you have to simply click on here name or Apple ID, and after that you will find a new interface where you will find the payments option, subscription history, and also you will find country or region. So you have to simply click on that, and after that what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that all the country and region are shown. So if you want to change any country or region from here, then you have to simply select that country or region so that your country or region option will be changed. So after some loadings, you will find all the country or region where you can simply select anyone from here. So you have to make sure about that. So here you can select country or region as United States, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time. So here you can simply try for again, if you do not have a strong internet connection, so you have to make sure about that you have strong internet connection. And after the checking for verification and internet connection, you can simply click on again country or region, and after that all country and region options will be available. So you have to simply click on that, and after selecting the country and region, you will be asked to provide the payment method, where you can simply select the option none, and after that you will be available to change the country or region. And after that for the next method, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, then you have to simply click on view account here, and after that that same kind of interface will be available, where you can simply select country or region, and after that you will select a none option in payment option. So in this way you can simply change country or region. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.